How to upload videos on Google Drive. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can upload videos on your Google Drive account. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to open your Google Drive app. So once you open it up, you would see some icons at the lower part of the screen showcasing home, start, shared, and files. Our focus this tutorial is on files. Alright, so if yours is on home, that this is the home, ensure you select files instead. So when you select files, by the lower right corner of the screen, you would see a plus icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, a box will display showing you a list of options such as folder, upload, etc. Our focus in this tutorial is on upload, so go ahead and click on upload. So once you click on it, you'll be redirected to your device's files. Now, once you're on this page, at the top part of the screen, below recent, you would see images, audio, videos. Yes, that's our focus. Just click on videos. Once you click on it, videos would be videos you have on your page or your phone, sorry, will be displayed. So what you need to do is to select the one that you would like to upload. Once you select it this way, you select it by tapping on it, and then you'll be brought back to your drive, showing you that the file is being uploaded. All right, so I'll do that again. Click on the plus icon, click on upload. You'll be taken to your device's files. Click on video, then select the video you want. If you want to select multiple videos, just long press on it this way, and then I'll go ahead and select as many videos as you want, and then click on select. Once you click on select, the video would be uploaded to your Google Drive. So this is how you can upload videos to Google Drive. Very simple, right? Yes. Thanks for watching.